Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO C3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, tap Get Started and click OK. Then tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, choose OK again, and tap on Input Options. Pick LED keyboard one more time. Now pick the keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!